What's going on?
Zach has been unbearable since yesterday. He's grumpy. He wouldn't even talk to me. My house is on fire just because of this photo.
You not stay in this house. Go and find your own husband and a home. You not stay here.
Stop victimizing her. If you have a problem, come to me and stop attacking the poor girl.
She's not a poor girl. Zach.
Mom, please. Stop attacking her. She didn't take the picture. And she didn't put it online with a tag on it, love.
So this is what all this is about?
Here. What are you going to do with it?
You soon find out. Enough.
Alright, but she can't find out it's gone. I have to take it back as soon as possible.
Don't worry.
Okay.
He doesn't touch me anymore.
Oh.
I confronted him about it and he wants us to have sex till after the wedding.
That guy is perfect indeed.
Are you hearing me? I'm not getting any.
That accounts for your anxiety.
I am serious.
Listen, I think you're stressing way too much. You don't have a problem. Men are always impossible to deal with when it comes to weddings. And hey, you're lucky to have a zealous mother-in-law who knows her fashion too.
You mean overzealous mother-in-law?
You look very pretty. And your foot is better, I see.
I was afraid you wouldn't come.
I promised.
Yes. I'll go get the room ready.
I'm not staying.
But you just got here.
Maybe we can chat for a few minutes and then I'll go back.
Tonight?
I'm afraid so.
No. You drove all the way here, alone, by yourself. You must be tired.
Look, I've work in the morning.
What good is that work when you end up dead from an accident?
Sesi.
No. At least have a few rest. And then you can set off in the morning.